Welcome to AlgoJob, an AI-powered platform by AlgoRoot Private Limited, designed to help you prepare smarter, perform better, and land your dream job faster. To get started, open your browser and navigate to https://algojob.ai. Once the page loads, you'll see the AlgoJob homepage. On the top right corner, you'll find options to sign up. Since we're new to the platform, let's click on the Sign Up button and select Candidate and fill in the required details to create a new account. Once the account is successfully created, click on the Login button, select the Candidate option, and enter your username and password to access the platform. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the AlgoJob dashboard, your personalized workspace to manage your job journey. At the center, you can see the Campus Buzz feed, where users share updates like mock interviews, assessments, and achievements. This helps you stay motivated and learn from the community. On the left side, you have your Profile section, where you can view your basic details, followers, and activity. On the right-hand side, you'll find your skills score, including your lifetime XP and current XP, along with rewards you can redeem, such as unlocking full AI interview sessions. Now let's move to the Mock MCQ test section. Here, you can take structured multiple-choice tests across key areas, such as aptitude, reasoning, English, and data interpretation, designed to simulate real exam and interview scenarios. To begin the test, simply click on the Initialize Arena button at the bottom of the screen. Now let's explore the Mock Debug section, also known as the Debug Arena. This is where candidates move beyond theory and actually solve real-world debugging scenarios. To get started, simply select your preferred stream or domain, based on the skills you want to practice. Each session includes multiple structured challenges designed to test not just your final answer, but your approach, logic, and clarity of thinking. AlgoJob evaluates candidates across key dimensions like conceptual understanding, communication, and critical thinking, all in real time. You also get clearly defined objectives and guided practice tips, helping you approach problems in a structured and effective way. This makes the entire experience not just a test, but a hands-on learning and improvement system. Now, let's look at another critical capability, communication skills assessment powered by AI. In AlgoJob, we don't just evaluate what a candidate says, we evaluate how they say it. This module is designed to simulate real interview communication scenarios where candidates go through multiple structured rounds. We have reading exercises to test clarity and fluency, listening-based questions to evaluate comprehension, and speaking tasks where candidates express their thoughts on a given topic. To begin the test, simply click on the Initialize Arena button at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's explore the AI interview section, the most important feature of AlgoJob. To begin, simply select your target organization and role you're preparing for. Once that's set, you can book an interview slot, just like a real interview experience. After booking, click on Initialize Arena to start the session. As the interview begins, the AI interviewer dynamically generates and asks questions tailored to your selected role and company, creating a realistic, adaptive interview environment. Now, let's take a quick look at how this works in action.
Hello, Pratik. I'm Jenny, your AlgoJob interviewer for today. Could you please start by giving me a brief introduction about yourself?
All right, Jenny. My name is Pratik Swen. I am currently an information technology student at Anil Neerukonda Institute of Technology and Sciences, and I love building applications as well as breaking them.
Thanks for sharing that, Pratik. Let's start with the basics. Can you explain what a hash table is and how it works?
So basically, you use a hash table for a kind of indexing purpose. You get the results in big O of one time. It stores in the form of a key value pair, and key should be unique.
Okay, moving on from that, can you describe the difference between a stack and a queue?
A stack follows LIFO or FIFO principle, I guess LIFO, and a queue follows FIFO principle. And you insert and delete from a stack on one side, and in a queue you insert at the rear and delete from the front end.
Now let's explore the analytics section, one of the most powerful features of AlgoJob. This section provides a high-precision view of your skill development and performance, helping you benchmark yourself against global standards. You can see your activity pulse, which tracks your daily engagement and consistency over time. This gives you a clear picture of how actively you're improving your skills. Overall, this analytics dashboard helps you track, measure, and continuously improve your performance in a structured and data-driven way. Once the interview is completed, AlgoJob generates a detailed performance report, not just scores, but actionable intelligence. Here, every interview, whether it's technical, communication, or a full AI interview, is tracked and analyzed in one unified dashboard. Let's open one of the reports. Now, this is where AlgoJob truly stands out. Instead of generic feedback, the system provides a precise evaluation of the candidate's performance, including strengths, weaknesses, and exact areas of improvement. You can see the overall score along with a rejection risk indicator, giving an immediate understanding of where the candidate stands. We break this down further into multiple dimensions: technical skills, communication, problem solving, confidence, and articulation. But more importantly, AlgoJob doesn't just identify gaps, it tells you exactly what to improve and how to improve it. And to make it even more useful, students can also download a complete report, making it easy to track progress and prepare better for future interviews. AlgoJob is not just a tool. It's a complete AI-powered interview ecosystem. From assessing real problem-solving skills to simulating interviews to delivering deep performance insights, everything is designed to make candidates truly interview-ready. Because in today's world, it's not about what you know, it's about how effectively you can apply, communicate, and perform under pressure. And that's exactly what AlgoJob is built for. Welcome to the future of hiring.